Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another blast from the past edition for you guys. I am really enjoying this series because I am loving going through my makeup collection and just kind of bringing out my older collection that I love and I still enjoy. So today's video we are using the Marvelous Mauves palette by Dose of Colors, and I have a couple other products that I'm bringing out as well, like my Benefit Dandelion Twinkle highlighter. I did not realize I've actually hitting pan on this, you guys. Like, this is the first item I've ever hit pan on, and I am just so freaking excited. I mean, I'm excited, but I'm sad at the same time, but it just means that I am showing it the love that it deserves. So before we get started, if you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that button down below. I normally post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I will have those linked down below for you guys as well. So if you want to see how I created this look with this palette, then just keep watching.
Alright, so I'm starting this look off with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this is their anti-aging one. Starting with the lightest shade in the palette, I'm going to take this and put this all over my lid. Next, I'm taking the second shade and I'm starting this in my crease. Now I'm going to take this next shade and I'm going to put it in the crease to deepen it up. I'm also going to put it on the outer and inner corner of the eyes. For this next shade, I'm going to take it and put it on the outer corner and inner corner as well. I'm going to work it slightly into the crease. Now taking the last shade in the pan, I'm going to be putting this only on my outer corner. Now going back into the very first shade in the palette, I'm going to take that color and put it on the center of my lid.
Okay, so I am actually going to stop right here. I'm going to finish most of my face and I'll be right back. So I am back, and I just have to say, anything that could have gone wrong did go wrong. So I was doing my eyebrows and I was testing out a different shade of the dip brow. Now I've had this forever, so it kind of counts. So I was doing my eyebrow and my son decided it would be so funny to jump underneath the curtain and scare me. So they're not even. I've tried to fix it and it's just not working. Then I went to do my eyeliner and I ended up like out of nowhere coughing, and boop, it's a lot thicker than I wanted it to be as well. So we're just going to continue moving forward. So some of the things that I used while I was off camera, I used my e.l.f. primer, my NARS concealer, my Peach Perfect powder. This is like my favorite powder so much. My Wet n Wild bronzer, which is so stunning. I forgot how stunning this is. There's no smell to it. I don't know why I was smelling it, but this is so pretty. Let's finish our look, shall we?
Alright, so starting off the lower lash line, I'm going in with this second shade in the palette. Now taking the Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner, this is in the shade Fixed on Plum, which is 04. I'm going to put this in my bottom waterline. I'm going to be using the Buxom mascara, and this is in the shade Blackest Black. Going back in with the lightest eyeshadow in the palette, I'm going to use this for my brow bone highlight and my inner corner as well. For blush, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio. This is the Berry Adore palette, and I'm going in with the shade Velvet. Now going in with the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's so pretty. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Tarte Lip Paint in the shade Double Tap.
Alright guys, so that is it for the completed look. I hope you liked the way that this turned out. If you did, please give me a big ol' thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!